Okay, that's okay. That's okay. We are now approaching near the last daily high. Let's check that. It could be Christie. Okay, we are creating a resistance. You see that? We are now creating a new resistance. Okay, like this. It's possible. Okay. Okay. I think you have now the logic. 89. Okay. 88, 89. Market making compass still positive. So bullish market maker. Okay. The interesting stuff when you increase the tick size and increase sorry when you reduce the tick size and when you increase the scale with the option parameters, it is interesting because you can really read how the 3D white price line is acting. Whoa, let me check that. Okay, 15 contract. Okay, maybe it is trapped. We'll see. When I see some big volume like this, when I see some strong volume filled with a large size like this, it's usually trapped. Okay, it's complicated to follow because if it is well filled, if the transaction is well executed without slippage, be careful because it is usually trapped. Okay. Okay, so I think now is good. Oh, we have a big offer on this, exactly on the price of this big transaction sold, big volume sold. Maybe the guy want to exit flat. It's possible. Okay. Okay, I'm going to stop the video. Thanks for your attention. I hope the sound was good. And we will continue with a third video just after that. Oh, very interesting moment. Okay, thanks for your attention. It was Nico, and for the meta Thanks.